Welcome to Boat Recipes Bahamas Edition. Today we're going to teach you how to make conch salad. You will need half of a pepper, half of an onion, 1 lime, half of a lemon, some orange juice, and of course, conch. For the 2 of us, we just use 1 conch, and that is plenty. But if there's more people, then you're gonna want more conch. In a later video, we will show you how to clean conch, but not today. After you have the pepper, the onion, and the conch all cut up into small pieces, you can add them all in one bowl. Now you're gonna add the lime juice, the lemon juice, and the orange juice. Typical conch recipes, you have to tenderize the conch, but the lemon, the lime, and the orange juice gets it all tender, so you leave it in the bowl for like an hour, and then bon appetit. Stir it up.